Welcome. Today we are going to explore one of the most famous equations in trigonometry, the Pythagorean identity. We will look at a simple geometric derivation to understand exactly why this formula works. To begin, we need to revisit a fundamental rule of geometry, the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem states that for any right-angled triangle, if you square the lengths of the two shorter sides, A and B, and add them together, the result equals the square of the longest side, the hypotenuse, C. Now, let's introduce the unit circle. This is a special circle centered at the origin of a coordinate system. The most important feature of the unit circle is that its radius is exactly 1. No matter where you are on the edge of the circle, the distance to the center is always 1. Let's place a point, P, anywhere on the circle's edge. By drawing a line straight down to the horizontal axis, we can create a right-angled triangle. Notice that the hypotenuse of this triangle connects the center to the edge, so its length is equal to the radius, which is 1. In trigonometry, we define the sine and cosine of an angle theta based on the sides of a right triangle. Cosine is the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse, and sine is the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. Because our triangle is inside the unit circle, the hypotenuse is 1. This simplifies things immensely. The adjacent side becomes just x divided by 1, which is x. The opposite side becomes y divided by 1, which is y, so the coordinates of our point are simply cosine theta and sine theta. Now we bring back the Pythagorean theorem. We substitute the sides of our specific triangle into the formula. Instead of a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we have x squared plus y squared equals 1 squared. Since we discovered that x is cosine theta and y is sine theta, we can substitute these directly into the equation. Replacing x with cosine theta and y with sine theta gives us the square of cosine theta plus the square of sine theta equals 1. And there we have it. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. This is the Pythagorean identity. It holds true for any angle because the point always remains on the unit circle, maintaining that fixed distance of 1 from the center. To recap, we started with the Pythagorean theorem, applied it to a triangle inside the unit circle, used the definitions of sine and cosine, and found that the sum of their squares is always 1. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.